Alright guys, I'm back with another unboxing. It is Suzuka Volume 4. That over there. I paid a hefty price for this one. It was like, I know you could have bought the series for like what? Like a couple of dollars or whatever. Like more. Like I could have bought the series for like same price I paid for this, but I wanted to get the original box, or a original with the art box like this or whatever. I have 3 volumes. I'm getting 5 next week. Then next week after that, volume 6 should come. Stupid shrink wrap. As you can tell, it is new. This is Volume 4 new. This came from Phoenix, Arizona. I got it from Amazon, but still. $14.99, I believe, for this. Could have bought the whole series for cheaper, but I didn't. I wanted to be a dumbass and buy it with the art box. Don't criticize or that. I know I'm a dumbass, but I wanted to get this. Got the I believe this might be Honica. I'm not for sure. I really don't know. It might be Honica. I really don't know. See the 4 right there. Front spine. Back. Let you read that if you want. There's scenes. Volume 4 has episodes 15 through 18. Extras. And we have new thing. When did this come out? What was this one? Volume 4. Volume 4 came out. The hell? Where the hell is it? Volume 6. That just tells you when Volume 6 comes out. Doesn't say nothing. Well, Volume 6 comes out in January 2008, so oh well. There's the disc. Clean, muzzle whistle. Right there is reversible side. There's that. This is the only highest one of them all. Let's add number 4 to the collection. Working down. Almost there. Almost there for Volume 5 and 6. Anyway, that was my unboxing of Suzuka Volume 4. Thanks for watching. Like I always say, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.